I do. Don't don't do that to my video. And why?
Wait, you're making a video?
Yeah.
You did not make one before.
What's up? Yeah, we're taking the car. We're waiting for the car, the rental car.
To drive to the airport?
To drive to Mama's house.
Oh. Stop with the filming stuff.
I did what? Jump.
We go eat.
We're going
Back
on the
home.
plane.
Because you
No, I'm
lied.
excited. I'm excited. I haven't been on a trip, guys, before, so.
I was tricky.
Guys, I haven't been on a trip before, so this is my first time on a plane. Without. I haven't.
Got you.
You didn't get me.
Yes, I
It's 'cause
did.
if we were actually driving to Georgia, wouldn't we just take Dad's car?
Because that does that
Final boarding
normally
call for
use his
Orlando,
car?
flight 1521. All passengers must proceed to B55. This will be your final boarding call.
What's taking long?
We gotta wait.
Wait and see if we can get in it.
I'm gonna eat my kid.
Yeah, you excited?
Yes. I'm not. We got candy, we got treats. We got treats.
Yo,
I
how
got.
do you?
Girl, did you ask?
We're sharing.
I know, but did you?
Hi guys, so this right here is our little hotel for a few days. Right here we have the little kitchenette. Malik, say hi. Hi. So right here we have the microwave, a little sink.
Hi.
It's little, it's
Hi.
there's nothing there.
Hi.
Just a little kitchenette, just
Hello, you can't see me? Hello.
hi Nia.
Hi.
And right here, over here we have a little dining table. Little mirror right here. Hi. And a little, we got a little night table, a little pull-out couch,
Wait, you're lying.
and this beautiful view.
And you know, I have to get my morning champagne in. So.
I can barely see you, Malik. It's the sun. Seriously? Over here we have 2 queen beds.
I'm sleeping with her.
Hi, Jay.
More like burger type thing.
Yeah. Oh. I don't know what that one is called over there, but we're looking something to eat, guys. I mean, it is so hot.
What's that inside?
It's lime and lemon.
So guys, we decided to get the calamari favorite. How does it taste, Jay? Good?
The lemon, this has some.
To this.
Guys, I'm gonna eat a lemon.
Wait, she's doing the lemon chop.
And it tastes good.
It's not sour? No, I needed to eat it.
Thank you much.
Would you like some extra parmesan cheese for you?
How much you want to try the fries? Truffle fries. You know what that is? Truffle?
Like this one my video.
They put one burger.
Hey, that's that looks good.
Cheese for you guys?
You guys want more cheese? Okay, that looks good. You want more cheese?
You ever taste eggplant steak?
Like, come on, put it on these. Mom, can you use this cheap?
Okay.
Yes.
That steak looks delicious.
I don't, he already, he won.
You can
I don't think he's gonna play another one.
I'm using only
It's not bad. It's lobster, ravioli, and vodka sauce.
We're in Miami right now.
Want to try?
And he's in Miami.
What's the piece?
Really? See? Look,
Sure.
Mom, look at this. Mom, look at this.
It's good.
It's really good.
With hair?
Holy crap.
Tonight,
Guys, all gone. It was so
And to the
good.
mouth.
Nia is not there yet. She's
Yeah.
not done.
Yeah.
Malik. You know, Nia is making her own video to put on our channel. So guys, please
My channel.
subscribe to the channel. Subscribe.
Guys, look.
Give us a thumbs up and share.
To your friends.
now what? Now we gotta go back. Then next after.
Guys, it was so freaking good. I ate all of it.
No, we didn't
And
want
I'm actually making a video, so if you want to see my video, just come to Nia's World, the Plumber's World.
They don't appear to be close.
Good morning, guys. So it's morning, as you guys can see. We're about to get some breakfast, and then
You said breakfast.
we are going to see if we can go to the beach. Right, Nia, ready? Jaden, ready for the beach? So we're gonna see if we can get some breakfast at the Cheesecake Factory, and then we're gonna head ourselves over to the beach so the kids can see what the
And they
beach
might have
really
a
looks
pool, too.
like.
I think they have a pool.
So yeah, we're gonna head over to Cheesecake, see what they have. If not, we'll go somewhere else, and then we'll check in so you guys can see where we stop to have breakfast. Okay.
Guys,
Here's
and
a
if you guys
mess,
wanna
but
s- if you guys want to see my vlog, I'm making one right now, but I'm not gonna make one.
it is so hot.
Do you have a-
No, I don't have it. You left it upstairs.
Why?
Oh my god. It is so hot.
I was making a video on the beach.
You can use my phone. And I will put the 2 videos together.
No, because I already have an intro.
And you can finish it up with my phone. What the difference? Just put the 2 videos together. Yeah guys, so we'll see you when we get to the restaurant.
Let me show you, Mama. You have to Malika.
Look at these huge pancakes.
That's why I'm not gonna eat them.
It's bigger than my head. My head is very big.
Guys, I got the French toast, eggs. Where's my bacon?
Oh, this is good. Just want to know, guys, this food is busting. So, my mama already vlogged my food, but I just want to do a quick look. I want you guys to see again. So,
Dad, what even is this
my
type of
food,
syrup?
my drink. You got me? And yeah, well, see you when we're done eating. So guys, we are done eating.
Cut your legs.
Oh, we are done eating. So, we are gonna.
Yeah, the phone is in the water.
So we are going to. We're gonna go to the beach. No, we're actually gonna get the check. We're gonna get the check now. We're gonna get the check.
Like, for the outro, like, you could do the thing like that.
Bro, stop messing up my video. We are at the beach.
Embarrassing them all.
You know what I'm gonna start doing? I start embarrassing my kids them. Because every time we choose to do something, them some I embarrass them. So I need to start embarrassing them too. So guys, we're at the beach. The water is so beautiful. This reminds me of beach of Jamaica. This reminds me of Jamaica beaches. Huh? Take it off.
Mom, there's like sharp stuff. Yeah,
I don't recommend. Yeah, I don't recommend taking it over.
it's nature.
Come on. A little bit more. Let's go a little bit more. Okay. No, not right there.
Guys, Nia is Nia afraid of the water. Girl, just dip.
No, but I can't believe people are good swimmers that go all the way down there.
Yeah.
Mom, probably they're good swimmers.
Yep. We are not, so we're gonna stay right here.
Probably is coming a little bit down.
Let go of my
Don't,
hand.
no!
Let go.
Mommy,
Let go. You need to let go of my arm.
no!
And
I'm keeping your arm. Mom, can I record?
no, it's on you. Swim.
So guys, I'm gonna go underwater. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit far. I don't wanna go so far because I'm gonna drown. So I'm just gonna be here. I'm gonna go underwater so you guys can see what's underwater. So I'm gonna put you guys underwater. Hi y'all.
Got it done? Yeah, the phone is about to die.
Yeah. You want to show some of that? It's sweet. Show them.
Oh my god, that's ice cream.
Come on, say it's a slice of every. Taste it. Taste a piece with, like, taste this with some of the ice cream. Taste it together. Here. Hold the spoon. Tastes good, right? Gotta try it.
inglés primero y después español. Any other language, I'm sorry, you're stuck. Cualquier otro lenguaje, lo siento, no puedo. You can teach me after the tour, me pueden enseñar todo el tour. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the United States, Coast Guard certified vessel. We carry aboard 130 life jackets for adults and children. We do not plan on using them, so please no swimming and no diving. If you brought children, please keep them with you at all times. Please do not throw anything into the water, including your children. You can throw your mother-in-laws. Hey. Right hand side. La primera mansión me la hice estar en la estrella a su mano derecha. Right there on the corner where all those blue lights are, and that wall, and also all those trees. Si a la mano izquierda están todas las luces azules, el muro y todos esos árboles. Yeah, you can't really see the mansion, no pueden ver la mansión. But in that area that's covered, ladies and gentlemen, lives famous rapper and producer P. Diddy. En esa área que está cubierta bien el famoso productor P. Diddy, Puff Daddy, Sean Chan, Sean Puffy Combs, Diddy, Clover Puff, Puffy, Pizza, Papa John's, Brother Love, Daddy Poo Poo. Yeah, he has a lot of names and a lot of privacy. Tiene mucho nombre y mucha privacidad. Para mi gente que habla español, él era un ex de la J-Lo. He was one of J-Lo's ex. One of many. Uno de muchos. P. Diddy. Yeah, you can't see the mansion. No pueden ver la mansión.
for the host. You know what you're supposed to be.